Students, all these questions are very important for your exam preparation. MCQ based objective type questions, and here you all are going to have answers also, but I am not going to give you 4 options because it will be a waste of time. It will take your time or energy, okay, wastage of time. This is why that I have given you only the answers. So just look at the question and then the answer, and out of 4 options you will find the same answer there. Then you have to sort that out and you have to tick to the correct answer. So now all these questions are related to closet drama. In the college, all these questions have been given to the students so that they may revise very well, because your exams are very near. So this is why that I am asking you to make a preparation only of all these questions forms of drama. So now the very first question is, which play is not intended to be performed on stage? You know very well that closet drama, what closet drama is. Closet, that is related to only your room, personal room in which you study. So it is a drama, but it meant to be read only in your privacy or in your retired room. Which play is not intended to be performed on stage? Generally what happens that drama is supposed to be staged or performed, but this kind of drama, closet drama, are never intended, are never written to be performed on stage, and it is okay, it is closet drama. Answer will be closet drama is not intended to be performed on stage. Second one is, who introduced closet drama? It was Friedrich von Schlegel. Friedrich von Schlegel. Which dramas are designed for reading? Closet drama. They are designed for reading. Fourth one is, who is the author of the Dynasts drama? It was Thomas Hardy. And Thomas Hardy's very famous drama had been the Dynasts. It was a closet drama. The closet drama was popularized during the Romantic period. Answer will be, it was popularized, it got a lot of popularity during the Romantic period, and even in the Victorian era there were also written closet drama in Romantic era also. Samson Agonistes of John Milton. It was John Milton who wrote this kind of drama. Samson Agonistes it is also a closet drama. Samson Agonistes. Closet dramas are plays that are not written. Closet dramas are plays that are not written. Okay, the same, the very first question, and here you will find same for the stage. Closet dramas were not written for the stage or to be performed on stage. So here you will find the very first question and seventh one question, that there is only a difference of the language, but the answer will be same. Eighth one is, who is the father of closet drama? Same. Here you will have who introduced closet drama, or language may be changed. Who is the father of closet drama? Answer will be same. It was Friedrich von Schlegel. Who devoted much time to closet drama? Very important question. Who devoted much time to closet drama? It was Byron. Byron. It was Byron. 10th one is, who writes dramas in the form of conversation? Dramas in the form of conversation. It was Plato. Who wrote the closet dramas in the age of Shakespeare? It was William Alexander. William Alexander, who wrote the closet dramas in the age of Shakespeare. And next one is, who was not fond of closet drama? It was W.B. Yeats. He was not fond of closet drama. So all these are important MCQ for your revision.